Hello, my name is Mark Arman. I'm a global product manager at tvONE, and we're here at DSE 2018. Today I want to show you the CORIO Master. This is tvONE's video wall processor, edge blender, LED processor. It's a modular system. You've got 3 different chassis, a 4RU, a 1RU, and a half rack size device. And then you choose the modules that you populate those chassis with. One of the really powerful features here is that there's so many different signal types and signal conversion that can occur within one chassis, from 4K to analog sources to internal content playback, as well as streaming media, and all 4K in and 4K out. The video wall processor is really unique in the sense that we can rotate our monitors 1 degree increments of 360 degrees, as well as the video channels independently of each other. So you can create some really creative walls, scatter walls, projector edge blends. It's a very powerful solution for digital signage. Check out more at tvone.com.